Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning Python, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Chapter 1, Section 1.5, Collection Types in Python, a super important concept for handling multiple values efficiently. Let's get started. Section title, Collection Types. In Python, we work with various data types. Some store a single value, like int or str. But what if we want to store multiple values together? That's where collection types come in. Python has several collection types, but in this video, we'll focus on 4: lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Each of these has unique features that make them powerful and versatile. Lists, ordered mutable. First up, lists. Lists are ordered collections, meaning items stay in the order you put them in. They're also mutable, which means you can change them after creation. Example, int underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, string underscore list equals abc, dfg chai, mixed underscore list equals 1, abc, true, 2.34, none. You can even have lists inside other lists, called nested lists. Nested underscore list equals b1, 2. Access list items by their index. Remember, Python is zero-indexed. Names equals Alice, Bob, Craig, print names 0, hashtag Alice. You can also use negative indexing to start from the end. Print names -1, hashtag Craig. And since lists are mutable, we can change, add, or remove items. Names.append Diana. Names.remove Bob, tuples, ordered immutable. Next up, tuples. Like lists, tuples are ordered, but they're immutable. Once created, you can't change them. IP underscore address equals 192.168.1.1 8080. Use tuples when your data shouldn't change, like a coordinate or a config. Dictionaries, key-value pairs. Now let's talk about dictionaries, collections of key-value pairs. State underscore capitals equals California, Sacramento, Texas, Austin, print, state underscore capitals, Texas, hashtag Austin. Dictionaries are perfect for mapping values, like names to scores or users to settings. Sets, unique unordered. And finally, sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique values. They automatically remove duplicates. My underscore set equals 1, 2, 3, 3, print my underscore set, hashtag 1, 2, 3. They're great for membership tests and eliminating duplicates from a list. Recap outro. Let's quickly recap lists, ordered, mutable, tuples, ordered, immutable, dictionaries, key-value pairs, sets, unordered, unique values. Each of these collection types helps you handle data in Python effectively. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more Python lessons. See you in the next video.